Have you ever noticed the growing global interest in Russian fighter jets recently? If you've been following global developments, you might already know that the reason behind this interest is none other than the extraordinary capabilities these fighter jets possess. These aircraft have proven their abilities on the battlefield in Ukraine, and their contribution to Russia's defense sector cannot be underestimated. Not only have they become the backbone in combat, but they also have an impressive track record, especially in terms of destroying enemy defense systems. From missile systems to command posts, ammunition depots, and various other strategic targets. However, despite being feared by enemies, their fate hasn't always been smooth. Their threatening presence makes them primary targets, and they often face intense counterattacks. This is particularly true because Russia, with all its ambitions, heavily relies on its air power in battle. As a result, Russian fighter jets have to bear significant risks in the sky. From February 24, 2022 to January 2, 2025, according to reports from the Ukrainian General Staff, Russia has lost 369 aircraft in Ukraine. This number illustrates the danger of the battlefield they face and the high risks these aircraft take. Despite suffering heavy losses, Russia hasn't stood idly by. Instead of waiting for external help, the country quickly moved to replace its lost fleet. In 2024, 14 batches of fighter jets, in various configurations, were delivered to strengthen Russia's air force. While the exact number of jets in each batch is still unknown, reports note several significant shipments. 3 batches of 5th-generation Su-57 fighter jets were sent on September 12th, November 11th, and December 23rd, 2024. In addition, 4 batches of Su-35 arrived in Russia on April 12th, May 8th, September 12th, and November 11th, 2024. Not to be overlooked, 6 batches of Su-34 landed in Russia on April 5th, June 17th, September 2nd, October 9, November 25th, and December 23rd. Lastly, 1 batch of Su-30 SM-2 arrived in the Russian Air Force on August 10th, 2024. These deliveries are not just about replacing the lost jets, but also a strategic move to strengthen and modernize their air combat fleet. Russia doesn't just view these shipments as efforts to replace their destroyed fleet, but as part of a broader strategy to modernize and expand their military power. In this regard, they rely on the United Aircraft Corporation to speed up fighter jet production and ensure that the Russian Ministry of Defense can obtain the necessary combat fleet. This process is clearly part of Russia's grand strategy to maintain superiority in the skies and improve their combat capabilities in the long term. Interestingly, the production of aircraft like the Su-30 SM and Su-35 is expected to end around 2030. Russia plans to transition to more modern and advanced fighter jets in the future. What do you think? Does Russia really believe in its assets? Let's dive deeper into why. Fighter jets have long been one of Russia's keys in achieving its goals on the global stage. The high dedication of Russia's production teams plays a significant role in ensuring these aircraft become the best. However, there are major challenges they must face. As revealed by the Eurasian Times, Western sanctions imposed by the United States, European Union, Ukraine, and some other countries have hindered Moscow's ability to obtain vital components needed to improve the quality and quantity of their fighter jet production. Several Russian defense units, such as Rostec, UAC, and the Komsomolsk-on-Amur plant, which are directly impacted by these sanctions, have struggled to maintain smooth production. Nevertheless, Russia has not given up. They continue to find innovative and ambitious ways to overcome these difficulties. One such solution has been the construction of new production facilities specifically for fifth-generation fighter jets like the Su-57. To date, Russia has only produced a small number of Su-57 jets at the Komsomolsk-on-Amur plant. These jets are believed to have technology that is 5 to 10 years ahead of American fighter jets. This makes the limited production unfortunate, considering the potential they hold. However, Russia hasn't stood still. They continue to increase production numbers and perfect the Su-57 design, which now includes several significant improvements, including thrust vectoring engine nozzles and enhanced stealth capabilities. Russia's ambition to improve their fighter jet capabilities raises a big question. Will they be able to rival the long-dominant American fighter jets? A former Special Forces officer, retired Colonel Anatoly Matvichuk, shared his views with Izvestia. He explained that although the US has advanced fighter jets, Russia's Su-57 outperforms all fourth-generation jets in terms of speed, maneuverability, firepower, and stealth. According to him, this jet will soon prove its capabilities and become a serious competitor on the global stage. In recent months, one of Russia's bomber jets, the Su-34, has continued to demonstrate its remarkable capabilities on the Ukrainian battlefield. In a series of staggering strikes, this jet successfully destroyed a secret NATO command center in Glukov, using precision-guided munitions. Not only that, the Su-34 also demolished enemy command posts scattered across the Ugledar and Kherson regions, shaking Ukraine's defenses in both areas. However, the Su-34's spectacular actions didn't stop there. In the Kharkov region, the Su-34 crew launched airstrikes using Fab 500 bombs, destroying a temporary position of the Ukrainian armed forces. This is just a glimpse of the Su-34's continuous surprises on the battlefield. However, this is only the beginning. Russia, with careful calculation, has prepared various types of fighter jets to face future battle challenges. One of them is the Su-30 SM-2, which is now increasingly popular with international customers like Kazakhstan and Belarus. Production and delivery of the latest version of this jet have begun, strengthening Russia's air power. This jet, which combines advanced technology from the Su-35, is now ready to face increasingly modern and dynamic battlefields. What's your top choice for a fighter jet? Which fighter jet do you think outperforms US-made jets? Leave your thoughts, and thanks for watching.